In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show completed tasks in Google Tasks. If you've ever checked something off and then wanted to find it later, this is a quick, reliable way to review what you finished without digging around. We'll do this on a computer, using the right sidebar in Gmail or Google Calendar, since that's where Google Tasks lives on desktop. First, open the Tasks panel. In Gmail or Google Calendar, look to the right side of the screen for the side panel and click the Tasks icon to open it. This is the same spot where you might see icons for Keep or Calendar, so you're in the right place if you're looking at that vertical strip of tools. Once Tasks opens, you'll see your task list with any active items at the top. Next, choose the list you want to review. If you only use one list, you'll already be there. If you organize your work into multiple lists, like personal, work, or projects, use the list picker inside the Tasks panel to switch to the one you want. This makes sure you're viewing the completed tasks from the correct category. Now, simply scroll down within that list. The completed section sits underneath your active tasks, so keep scrolling until you see the word completed. Click it. As soon as you do, all tasks you finished in that list will expand right below, typically with a strike-through to make it clear they're done. This is a great way to confirm what's already off your plate, retrace steps, or copy details from a finished task. You can expand or collapse that completed section anytime. If you like a tidy view, collapse it when you're focusing on upcoming work. When you want a quick progress check or need to recover details from a task you've already handled, expand it again. It's an easy toggle, so you control how much you see. If you want to clean things up further, open the list options, the three dots in the Tasks panel, and choose Delete All Completed Tasks. This clears the completed section for that list in one move. Keep in mind, this is a cleanup action, so make sure you no longer need those items before you remove them. One more note. On mobile, completed tasks may show the date you finished them, which can be helpful for tracking progress or reporting. That detail can vary, but it's useful when you need a quick history of what you accomplished and when. That's it. Open Tasks, pick your list, scroll down, click Completed, and your finished items are right there whenever you need them.